The sequence of events leading up to Mount St. Helens' May 18, 1980 eruption are schematically depicted here. First, we'll review them in cartoon form, and then we'll see photographs and a short video of the devastating eruption unfold before us. Throughout March and early April, increased seismic activity was documented and attributed to ascending magma beneath the volcano. By mid-April, intrusion of magma at shallow levels caused a bulge to develop on the north flank of the volcano. This bulge grew to over 100 meters at a rate of 1.5 meters a day. On May 18th, at 8:32 a.m., a magnitude 5.1 earthquake occurred and triggered the largest landslide in history. The entire north side of the volcano broke loose and slid down the mountain. This decrease in pressure triggered the violent release of steam and ash from the volcano, first as a lateral blast and then as a huge eruption cloud. The eruption cloud from the May 18th explosion, seen here, reached 15 kilometers into the atmosphere and spread fine-grained ash over much of the northwestern U.S. Pyroclastic flows developed as eruption plumes collapsed and traveled along the ground as high-temperature gravity flows. These flows, also called nuées ardentes, are composed of clouds of hot gas and ash that hug the mountainside and race down river valleys at speeds as large as hundreds of miles per hour. The Mount St. Helens pyroclastic flows burned everything in their path and devastated a very large area north of the mountain. Mud flows or lahars, as shown here, were also triggered by melting snow and ice, combining with ash and weathered volcanic rock. They destroyed houses, bridges, and logging operations along the Toutle and Cowlitz rivers. The landslide material entered Spirit Lake on the north side of the mountain, raising the water level by over 200 feet. 57 people died in this explosion, one geologist at his post 5 miles from the site of the eruption. The volcano continued to spew ash for the next 9 hours and finally quieted down, leaving a 1 by 2 mile horseshoe-shaped crater where the former majestic mountaintop used to sit. In just minutes, Mount St. Helens, once the 5th highest peak in the northwestern U.S., lost over 1,300 feet of elevation to immediately become the 37th highest peak. Here is some incredible footage of the landslide and eruption.
That is until 1980, when the north flank of Mount St. Helens, weakened by rising magma, collapsed in the largest landslide ever witnessed. The landslide released an explosive blast that laid waste to over 200 square miles of forest. And the landslide also spawned a giant mudflow that raged 50 miles, all the way to the Columbia River. When all had settled, Mount St. Helens lay gutted and bare. The upper Toutle River had become a barren and rocky place where craggy fragments of the mountain pocked the surface of the landslide. But scientists working at Mount St. Helens quickly realized that its odd hilly landscape was not unique. Within a short time, they identified similar landslide deposits here at Mount Shasta and at some 200 other volcanoes around the world.